Hello, everyone, and welcome to I Love Smoochie. This is your girl Hope. Today, we're going to be making shrimp spring rolls with hoisin and chili sauce. That's right. Right here, I have about 10 shrimp, cream of cheese, hoisin garlic sauce, sweet chili sauce, my rice papers, my romaine lettuce, and green onions. Also, I have a pack of noodles, which can be any flavor. This is my seafood salad I made homemade. Yes, I did. And also, we have the butter, which we're going to be cooking the shrimp in. So let's get started. Okay, right here, I put in 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just adding my shrimp. And like I said before, I add about 10 shrimp because I like to taste one, just to make sure that that batch is well seasoned. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Whew. It looks so good. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm going to add another teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, okay? Just to make sure this is just well seasoned. Look at that. Whew, okay. All right. So I'm just going to stir. Yeah, just to make sure that all the gray is gone and that it is completely pink. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm going to cook these about 4 to 5 minutes just to make sure that they're done. Oh, yeah. Look at the caramelization on those shrimp. Ooh. I can just eat these by itself. I don't even have to put it in the bowl. I can just eat them now. All right, now I'm just putting the seasoning into the noodles. Just make sure these noodles are cooled down before you add them to the rice paper so it won't melt it. Right here, I'm just stirring everything up, making sure that it's all in evenly. Oh, yeah. All right, now I'm going to get my cream of cheese. Yeah, it don't even matter what type that you use. Just get whatever brand. You can use the store brand or the name brand, whatever you prefer. But since I'm making 3 rolls, I'm going to cut 3 slices. Okay, that's my 3rd slice. All right, and that is my seafood homemade salad I made. And also that's the water that I'm going to dip the rice paper in. Now with the rice paper water, you want to make sure it's cool, because if you have it warmer, it's going to process too quickly. So if you're not an expert with dealing with the rice paper, I do prefer you to use cool water. Okay, now I'm going to get ready to dip that rice paper in that cool water. I'm going to dip it in the front, and then I'm going to turn around and dip it in the back. Just make sure that it's submerged. All right, next I'm going to get that cream of cheese, and I'm going to kind of spread it with my fingertips to elongate it. And then I'm going to add my shrimp. Yeah. Now, usually with the shrimp, people put those first, just for looks, but you could do it whatever way that you want. Okay, right here I just added my seafood salad, just in that order. Okay, I'm gonna let you get a closer view of that. All right, yeah, I got the cream of cheese, the shrimp, and the seafood salad. Now you can use any type of meat that you want, it's all up to you, but I'm just using shrimp today. All right, now I'm gonna get my lettuce. That's romaine lettuce. Now you can use any type of lettuce, but I love my romaine. Okay, I got my green onions. I'm just gonna cut those in half. If you prefer to leave them long, you can leave it long. Then I'm gonna add the noodles. Now the noodles that I use are just the cabinet noodles that I had. People usually use the Versetti. I think it's Versetti or something. I forgot how you pronounce it. But I use a different type of noodles. But like I said, I'm just using what's in my cabinet. And hey, whatever you have in your cabinet, use that too. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that rice paper and kind of roll it over that lettuce and noodles, and I'm kind of tuck it and roll and tuck, and I'm kind of tuck the cream of cheese and shrimp as well, and make sure that the end of that sheet is don't have anything on it so it can stick to the rest of the paper. Voila. Now that it looks a little messy, but I mean it's good. I mean it really tastes good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna dip another rice paper in there, and I'm gonna place it on the plate, and then I'm gonna get my cream of cheese, kind of spread it out with my fingertips, add those shrimp, and make sure that your shrimp are cooled off too before you place it on there, because it will melt everything. All right, I'm adding my seafood salad. And with this, you can add as much as you want. I'm getting my lettuce, my green onions, and those noodles, those hot noodles. Now you look, I was trying to hurry up and do this video, and I end up using the hot noodles, but don't use hot noodles because they'll wither the lettuce and also melt the rice paper. Okay, now I'm gonna do that same method, which is pull over and tuck. Now if you want to wrap the ends in with it, you're free to do so, but me, I tend not to wrap the ends because at the end I just kind of pinch the ends of them a little bit. Now that one, it looks much better than the other one. Yeah, look at that. All right. Okay, now for those who just didn't get it the first or second time, I'm gonna do it one more time. They say one more again. I'm gonna do it one more again, okay? All right, I'm just gonna get that rice paper, dip it in that water, and I'm gonna just reiterate, cool water. All right, and then I'm gonna place it on the plate. Take that cream of cheese, spread it out a little bit, put that shrimp on top. Yeah, put the shrimp on top. Then add that seafood salad. Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, you can add as much as you want. This is your own. There go the lettuce, the green onions, and also the noodles. And also, too, another tip is after you get finished making your spring rolls, just place them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to let them cool, because it tastes better when they're cool. Okay, here I go. I'm taking that rice paper, wrapping it over the lettuce, and kind of tucking that in. Yeah, just tucking it in, rolling over. Roll over that shrimp, tucking that so the end of it can meet the other part of the rice paper and stick. And voila, there you go. You have it. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Oh, I love these things so, so much. All right, well, let's just take a look at it. Now, with these, you can eat as a snack, but I'm telling you, I eat them for dinner or lunch because they are very filling. And also, you can make this savory or sweet. You can put in it what you want. I think the rice paper, they less carbs than a hash tortilla. All right, now for the dipping sauce, I got Hoisin garlic sauce. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of that. Now, with this dipping sauce, a lot of people put peanut butter in theirs, but I just prefer not to. Now I'm gonna add my sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of that. Yeah, use a tablespoon of that. And let's get to eating.